Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Clash of Clans with Facebook. A long time ago, Clash of Clans had a Facebook Connect or Facebook login button directly inside the game. Players could link their account to Facebook and easily find and invite friends. That option is no longer available. Supercell has removed the Facebook Connect feature from Clash of Clans. Because of this, you cannot directly connect your game account to Facebook anymore. Even though the Facebook login button is gone, there is still a way to stay connected with friends and invite them. Open Clash of Clans and go to the Settings menu. In the Settings, look for the Supercell ID option. If your account is not connected yet, tap on it and follow the steps to connect. This will protect your village and allow you to use social features. After your account is connected to Supercell ID, go back to the main screen and open the Social or Friends section. Here you will see the Add Friends option. Tap on it and you will find different ways to add friends. You can copy your personal invite link and send it to your friends through Facebook Messenger or any other app. Another option is to ask your friend to scan your QR code directly from their game. Once they accept, you will be added as in-game friends. That is currently the only way to connect with friends now that Facebook login is removed. Thanks for watching.